I'm going to knock out some baby back ribs and some chicken halves today. I'm going to use some of the Sportsman Blend pellets from Bear Mountain BBQ. Guys, this is an amazing mix of hardwoods here. Really good pellets that they're offering. Give them a shot. I'll have the link in the description. You can get yourself some of these Sportsman Blend pellets. And I'm also going to use some of the Bear Mountain BBQ hickory chunks and position a couple of just 2 chunks around my fire pot just to get that extra little smokiness on those ribs. I'm gonna cook them on that bullseye this time around. I like the way they come out on that bullseye. And these chunks, guys, positioned around that fire pot, really good hack. Going in there with a Recteq pan and putting in 4 Modelo beers. Because my Recteq gets thirsty too. Okay. My Recteq gets thirsty too. And that's my full hopper here, 18 pounds. I'm gonna lock it down. And bling bling, I got you. I got you. You didn't think I wasn't going to get you, did you? So here's the racks, guys. Just 3 basic plain Jane baby back ribs from my local HEB. And I'm just going to prep them up really quickly. Open them up out of the package and do some minimal trimmage. We are going to cut off some end pieces and remove the membranes. I'm kind of curious to know how you cook your baby backs. Do you guys leave the membrane or do you remove them? I happen to like to remove them off of the baby backs, but I leave them on like spares and St. Louis cut. But the baby backs, I always seem to just remove them. Just a quick rub here from Gabbard BBQ pork rub. It's absolutely fantastic on pork ribs, guys. Give it a shot. This Gabbard season, I'll have the link in the description where you can get yourself some of that rub. Fantastic. But I did go in and I dusted it with a little bit of that Heath Riles garlic butter. Guys, let me tell you about this combination right here. It's so hard to describe, but if you like garlic, if you like butter, you guys really gotta try out this combination. Recteq pouring out some smoke here. I'll position those baby backs right on top of that beer bath there. Get some beer steamage going on. And I'm also got those end pieces in there. We're not gonna waste any of the tips. We're gonna cook those up as well. And everything is looking and smelling mighty fantastic on this cook, guys. Very excited about it. So we're gonna just check our time. We're rocking 10:15. It's right around 10:15. And I'm gonna go ahead and prep up that chicken. I'm gonna do this chicken's actually for my parents, guys. I'm just gonna get it. I'm gonna remove the backbone and I'm just gonna cut it into halves. That way my parents can each have a half. And I'm just gonna wash it off, clean it off real good before I season it. And I'm coming in. My parents are not too big fans on sodium, so I'm rocking some of that Dano's original. And if you guys have not tried Dano's on chicken, you really, really have to. I'll put a link in the description where you can get that one as well. We're going to do the Dano's on both sides. I'm going to come in just a little bit with some of that pork seasoning. It's not salty. And guys, I'm going to store these chicken halves in a bag and put them in the fridge. And we're going to cook them the next morning. So here we go, a couple hours later, and this is the color that we are rocking on those baby backs. And plenty of beer still in there for this cook, guys. It smells so freaking good. Trying to beat some storms that are trying to roll in. So we're getting there, but the storms are coming. We're right at 115, 116. Beautiful color. Those end pieces probably just about done. Love that color on them. But those racks, we still need some time. And right there, guys, I am really liking that color. See, we're still blazing some of that smoke. The storms are getting closer. But we're just going to go ahead and wrap them. Not adding anything to my wrap. I'm not a fan of really putting too much stuff in my wrap. There's plenty of moisture left in these racks, so I just put them in there, meat side down. That's rack number 2. Just give it a simple little wrap, ends and then over and under, back into the cooker. And I'm also going to wrap the tips. I'm gonna wrap the end pieces and put everything back into the cooker. Those end pieces are done. I just want to kind of soften them up a little bit. And the storms caught us, guys, but we did pretty good. Everything's in there still wrapped, but during that time, I actually opened up those, I pulled those end pieces and I grabbed a piece and I'm snacking on it, man. Absolutely fantastic. And that was the plate. The storms came and they moved right out just as quick as they came. And that was the plate. Ribs, beans, mac salad. Deliciousness, man. Just a really good meal right there. Very simple, delicious, and good tasting. Ribs are nice and tender. And that rib combination is something else, guys. You guys really need to try that. Next morning came. I got to cook these chickens up for my parents. So I'm just going to do them real hot and fast. 400 degrees in the bullseye. Bone side down. And that Danos. And man, that stuff got up into that meat. This is an absolutely fantastic rub on your poultry, on your chicken. We're getting that color that we're wanting, guys. Getting that nice crispy skin. We're still rocking those same Bear Mountain pellets, Sportsman blend. And these chickens are looking mighty, mighty fine. About an hour. Hour and 15 minutes, they were done right where I wanted them. And I loosely tinted them and delivered them, and they were absolutely happy. Guys, look at this chicken. This was a fantastic cook, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.